Hi, JT here, coming at you today to train a little bit on how to access your family website. First of all, what is the family website? It is a software platform where you can see where all of your accounts are, what they're worth in aggregate in live time. This is really nice because it makes things simple for you. It consolidates all of your information. And this is the tool that we use on the back end to put together any of your projections about retirement or taxes or anything like that. So in order to gain access to it, first, you will have gotten an email from us to register. And when you do that, you will be creating a username and a password. Assuming you have that now, what you're going to do is go to our website, treasurevalleyplanning.com, where we are right now. And on the top right, you're going to go to the Client Center. When you do that, it's going to give you access to several different things: submitting service requests, personal website, or going directly to the TD Ameritrade website for your investment accounts. You want to select under the logo of Treasure Valley Planning, you want to click Personal Financial Website. When you do that, it will come here with a username and a password, which you should already have. If you do not, let us know and we'll get it to you. And you will click Sign In. And that's all you need to do. We also have the ability to create a short link to this on your phone or tablet. So you'll have an app-like icon on that device that you can easily click and access this from those devices. If you wish to have that and you need assistance getting it set up, please let the team or I know, and we will be happy to assist. 208-813-9500. Thank you so much, and have an awesome day.